Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Alan Thomas, aka Shadow Assassins, and today I have a quick, let's draw. It's another painting that I guess could go on my series for my webcomics as well. What I recently did was I've been doing a lot of like environmental sketches and just drawings recently, coming up for ideas for my new webcomic that I'm working on, and I'm touring with a lot of different things. So in the previous video I did a few days ago, I actually showed off the first environment that I did for my webcomic. This is actually the second. Just to give a general idea for this picture, I'm designing most of my stages for almost like a fighting game, like as if like keeping that in mind for is what I'm trying to say. Like I'm sort of designing the environments as if my new fighting game is one gigantic like space tournament. I'll give out more ideas about the story as I go along. It's pretty ridiculous, but I'm just really having fun, and I'm taking a lot of sort of ridiculous things that I love about fighting games, and I'm sort of sticking it into my comic. But in any event, this is sort of the first environment or the second environment that I'm touring along with. The first one I think I'm officially gonna call the oven. I don't know why. I guess the little lasers that I had on the backs and the floor of the little platform or whatever, I guess is gonna cook the opponents or actually like heat them up or whatnot. I'm not sure, set them on fire, something along those lines, but it looks like a giant toaster oven on my actual computer. It doesn't look like that when I view it on other people's computers or if I see it on my phone though, so I may need to go back and change that a bit. But this one I absolutely don't have a name for it. I just know the two competing planets that I have in this little, I guess, space competition I drew in the background. You may see it a bit in the picture, but I accidentally turned off the floor to my painting, but I kind of like the way that it looked. But at the same time, I don't know, it may be a bit too much, and it's not because the platform is in the air and that's where the characters will be fighting on. I'm not sure if you would even see that to begin with, so I'm not sure whether I should put that in as a design aspect of the environment itself, but it looks pretty awesome. Like I said, you'll probably see it on occasion flash in the painting itself, but the floor will just disappear and it'll just be the environment floating in outer space, which makes no sense, but a lot of things in this comic isn't going to make a whole lot of sense. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and just play the rest of this painting, and I'm going to stop talking, and I'll have more content coming out later on this week, and you all give me some feedback as to whether or not you think this is an interesting environment that I've just created or conjured up, or whether this looks ridiculous. Any feedback is is appreciated, so leave a comment, let me know what you think, and y'all have a good one. I'm out.